Hi, Mr. Wilhelm. I'm one of our strength teachers here at Mundelein High School. We love strength here, especially for our students, just because it's a free place for them to work out and work out with their peers. We target different muscles, trying to kind of follow the powerlifting model, where we're front squatting, back squatting, deadlifting, cleans as you get older in strength, bench press. And with that, we're able to kind of track kids as they go through strength 1 all the way to strength 3, so kids are able to kind of see their progress throughout their 4 years.
Hi, my name is Kennedy and I'm a sophomore at Mundelein High School and I take the strength class. Every day that I come to class, I enjoy using different equipment such as the dumbbells, the kettlebells, the roller, and more. And I also enjoy seeing my friends every day.
Avery, add weight.
Hi, my name's Avery. I'm in the strength class with Mr. Wilhelm. I really like coming to strength every day and getting to push myself and getting stronger. I also like seeing the improvement in my sports from the strength class.